clouds in a velvet sky. Moonlight whispers where dreams lie. A harp strums soft like a lullaby. Drift away on a golden street. Close your eyes, feel the quiet gleam. Whispered dreams, whispered dreams. Piano notes.
Breathe out, don't feel nothing at all. Here's your sanctuary, here's your place. A quiet shoulder in endless space.
Clouds like feathers float and sway and sway. Night wraps you in its quiet ballet. Time dissolves, it drifts away. Close your eyes, let the waves roll in. Feel the calm sinking under your skin. Whisper of dreams.
Drip drop, it calls me home in the storm. I'm never alone. Each drop a story, each drop a sigh. A fleeting moment in the sky. The thunder hums a distant tune, while clouds embrace the silver moon. Wash away the noise.
Where your soul unwinds. The river murmurs secrets in its gentle flow. Time slows its footsteps where the soft. Dances on the wall. Shadows stretching softly fall. Breathe slows down a quiet crawl. Whispering dreams. Cradle me slow, wash the world where the wild winds blow. Rainfall, rainfall, let me let go. Soft and steady, the night's refrain.
parts of me I couldn't speak. Footsteps fade on sands of gold. The breeze tells tales, both young and old. Each wave a heartbeat, calm and bold. Let the shadows carry you away. Echoes of the night will cradle your soul. In the quiet, finally home.
Close your eyes. You're already there. Drift away into the calm. Feel the tide, hear the song. Drift away where worries disarm. Clouds like feathers.
The rain it fades, but the peace remains. A quiet echo of soft refrains. Drip drop, the night moves on, but the song of rain will never be gone. Tonight, let the weight fall off into the quiet light. Drift away, take flight. Drift away tonight. The night dances on the edge of time. Echoes home, a soothing rhyme. Let the silence hold you tight.
Stars breathe whispers as they drift by. A meadow of shadows, soft and wide. Close your eyes, let the waves roll in. Feel the calm sinking under your skin. Whispers of the ocean hum through the air. A quiet tide rising without care. Moonlight paints the ceiling silver and rare. Breathe it in, let it flow, let it go. Feel. Piano notes like falling rain, easing hearts and quieting pain. Each chord a door to the dreamer's plane. Strings hum low, a cosmic. Ocean hum through the air. A quiet tide rising without a care. Moonlight paints the ceiling silver and rare. Breathe it in, let it flow, let it go. Feel the weight, let it fade, let it show. Waken in this cocoon. a soft escape from the world's refrain, mind and soul in perfect tune, dancing lightly with the moon. Stars like whispers hum so low, night unfolds a velvet glow. Drift away where time won't. Both young and old, each wave a heartbeat, calm and bold. Close your eyes, let it pull you near, a current soft dissolving fear. Ocean in my mind so deep, it sings me songs, it lets me weep. A quiet place where I can keep all the parts of me. The tides of time move slow. Close your eyes, let the world let go. Dreaming, dreaming, dreaming low. Winds weave songs through the ancient trees, carrying secrets on gentle unwinds. The river murmurs secrets in its gentle flow. Time slows its footsteps where the soft winds go. Stars above paint a map so wide, guiding you through the night soft tide. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat slow, let it carry you where dreams. The moonlight whispers to the sea, a lullaby in harmony. The stars hum softly, endlessly. Drift away into the calm. Feel it, dreaming in the quiet glow, where the tides of time move slow. Close your eyes, let the world let go. Dreaming, dreaming, dreaming low. Winds weave songs through the ancient trees.
Each drop a story, each drop a sigh, a fleeting moment in the sky. The thunder hums a distant tune, while clouds embrace the silver moon. Wash away the noise, the ache, the fight. Leave me floating in this night. where the ocean whispers and problems resolve. In the stillness you'll find your key, floating softly like leaves on slow. No rush, no risk, just space to be, floating light in a velvet sea. Every moment dissolves peacefully. Breathe it in, let it flow, let it go. Feel the weight, let it fade. Let it be, just breathe. Drift away tonight. Let the weight fall off into the quiet light. Drift away, take flight. Moonlight dances on the edge of time. Echoes hum, a soothing ride.
Close your eyes, let the waves roll in. Feel the calm sinking under your skin. Whisper of dreams where the night begins. Clouds like feathers float and sway and sway. Night wraps you in its quiet ballet. Time dissolves. Close your eyes, let go of the flame. Stars light, whispers hum so low. Each patter's a heartbeat, steady and kind. The rhythm of nature easing my mind. Rain wraps me up, away from the stream. Soft and steady, the night's refrain. Tide. Breathe in the night, let it cradle your mind. Drift with the clouds, leave the world behind. your skin. Whisper of dreams where the night begins. Every heartbeat slows like a distant drum. The echo of silence where all thoughts come, soft as the breeze around you slows. Breathing harmony, breathe out pain. Feel the sunshine, not the rain. In this moment, find your ease. Heart and mind in gentle peace. Breathe it in, let it flow, let it go. Feel the weight, let it fade, let it show. Dream waves carry you slow. Stars blink like secrets you'll never know. The world turns gentle, the tempo low. The river murmurs secrets in its gentle flow. Time slows its footsteps where the soft winds go. A place where peace is all you'll ever know.